So let us discuss the roadmap to semiconductor career. So in this presentation, we are knowing about the skills, interviews, and the future trends. So let us look into it. What introduction of this hiring process. So the semiconductor industry is the heart of modern technology, which is empowering everything from smartphones to the autonomous vehicles. With the increasing demand for faster, smaller, and more efficient chips, industry is booming, which is creating a plethora of number of job opportunities for the skilled professionals. So this document provides an overview of the semiconductor industries about the key job roles, what are the top companies and their focus areas. So what are the detailed insights into this hiring process. So let us check what is the overview of the semiconductor and why it is a present boom. So, semiconductor industry is experiencing the unprecedented growth due to the several factors like technological advancement, AI and machine learning, 5Gs and IoTs, and automotive, the industrial applications. So, because the rise of these AI accelerators and custom silicon for AI applications, and the need for the advanced nodes like 3nm, 2nm, and the innovative chip designs, so increasing demand for the semiconductors in electrical vehicles and even the industrial automation. So the proliferation of the 5G networks and the IoT devices, so which are requiring the specialized chips. So this is the overview, and let us see the what are the key job roles in the semiconductor industry. So the first role is the RTL design engineer, so which is the register transfer level design for the digital circuits. Physical design engineer like floor planning, placement, routing and timings. So design verification engineer. So the main role of a DV engineer, he ensures the correctness of the design through simulation and testing. So, what is the functioning of the DFT? He incorporates the testability features into the design. Analog design engineer, he designed the analog circuits like amplifiers, filters, etc. So, firmware development engineer, he writes the low level code for the embedded systems like embedded C, software for embedded C. So, layout design engineer, he creates the physical layout for the chip. So, these are the key job roles. So, let us check the top semiconductor companies and their focus area. So the Intel focus mainly on foundry services and x86 microprocessors, 86 AI accelerators, and the key products are as mentioned like FPGAs core processors. So TSMC focus on pure play foundry and advanced nodes, and the key products from TSMC are manufactures chips for Apple, Nvidia, and AMDs, etc. So Samsung mainly focus on memory chips, advanced nodes, and the fab businesses. Fab means fabrication here. And key products from Samsung are Galaxy smartphones, SSDs, memory modules, etc. So NVIDIA mainly focus on GPUs, AI chips, and custom silicons. And the key products from NVIDIA is like AI accelerators, GPUs, etc. So AMD focus on high performance computing and FPGAs, mainly concentrates on Xilinx Vivado software, and the key products from AMDs or EPYC servers, GPUs, processors like Ryzen. So Qualcomm mostly focus on mobile SoCs and 5G modem chips, and the key products from Qualcomm are Snapdragon processors and 5G modems. Apple mainly focus on in-house chips like A series for iPhones, and the key products from Apple are iPhones, iPad, MacBook with the custom silicon. So Texas Instruments mainly focus on analog and mixed signal solutions. So key products from Texas Instruments are analog chips and embedded processors. So another notable companies like Broadcom mainly focus on networking chips like RF components, MediaTek focus on mobile SoCs, IoT chips. STM Microelectronics focus on automotive chips and MEMS sensors. Infineon Technologies mainly concentrate on power semiconductors or drives like automotive devices, etc. So let us check the hiring process and how to crack a VLSI job. So first, job portals and where to apply. So coming to the job portals, LinkedIn, a primary platform for job postings and networking where you can find any job there. So or else go to company careers page where direct applications through official websites, or else have any referrals, leverage your network for the internal referrals of any particular companies. So next, highlight your resume tips for semiconductor jobs, like highlight projects, which means do a detailed relevant projects, especially those involving in VLSI, FPGA, or ASIC design. So skill section clearly list the technical skills whichever you have known, like Verilog, VHDL, or Python, C++, etc. Or experience, emphasize the internship, research, and hands-on experience. So this will be how to crack the job in VLSI. So let us check what are the interview rounds and what can we expect from here. So the first round will be technical screening. So topics must be covered like Verilog, VHDL, physical design, DFTs, or UVM based type questions. So preparation must be review the digital design concepts, timing analysis, verification methodologies, etc. So the second round may be coding round, languages like Python or C++ for some of the roles which are mandatory, and mainly focus on problem solving, algorithms, and data structures. So the third one will be hardware designing questions. So topics involved here are logic design, yeah, for PPA trade-offs, etc. And the preparation must be you should understand the design flow from RTL to GDS2. So last round will be your behavioral and HR interview. So topics must be covered like culture fit, teamwork, or problem solving, salary negotiations. You should cover on the topics. And coming to the preparation of this HR round, practice common behavioral questions and research about the company culture before applying to any job. So, what are the tips for the freshers and the experienced candidates? Like you should learn the best courses before applying, like VLSI design. So courses like Coursera, EDX, or Udemy, you can apply there. So Verilog or VHDL online tutorials and make some certification courses in order to enhance your resume. So physical design, advanced courses on PD flows and tools. So how to prepare for a semiconductor job interview? So prepare for mock interviews. So practice with peers or mentors, or give some technical reviews, or revisit your key concepts in digital design, verification, and physical design. So do some project discussions, like be ready to discuss your projects in detail. So importance of internships and projects, internships, so gain some hands-on experience and industry exposure while you are studying itself. So projects showcase your skills and problem solving abilities. So let us see what are the future hiring trends in the semiconductor industries, like AI ML roles in VLSI hiring. So AI accelerators increase the demand for the custom silicon for AI applications, and machine learning in EDA tools is very vast. So coming to the growing demand for the chiplet design and advanced packaging. Chiplet design, modular design approaches for better yield and performance, and advanced packing techniques like 3D stacking and heterogeneous integration. So coming to the AI accelerators, so custom AI chips, specialized process for AI workloads, and edge AI chips designed for AI applications of the edge, like IoT devices. And let us finally conclude that The semiconductor industry offers a wide range of opportunities for both freshers and as well as the experienced professionals. So, by understanding the key job roles, preparing thoroughly for the hiring process, so we can get into semiconductor industry and stay updated with the industry trends where you can significantly enhance your